on, you guys. I'm sorry about the irregular posts that I've been making. I just been off and on sick. I just cannot get over this. So hopefully this week will be a lot better and next week. But other than that, let's go ahead and dive in, you guys. So right now I'm starting from a higher time frame, that being the daily interval. I have my support and resistance lines already set for you guys. So let's go ahead into where we're at right now. So as of pre-market, we're down almost 2% for the morning, and then yesterday we closed almost 13%. Okay, so this top line represents our major resistance line, and then down here is our major support line. You can see that we bounced from over here, we bounced over here, and then underneath we were working it as resistance, and you can see up here our top resistance here, and underneath over here. So let me check the volume really quick. The volume, we're at 13,000, so that's really low. We want to see that at least above 150,000. That's the bare minimum you guys should be looking at for every stock. If it's not above that 150,000 volume, go ahead and move on to the next one, because it'll be such a slow moving stock that you won't be able to get in and out, especially if you're swing trading or day trading. But that should pick up. This should pick up closer to the market opening. So make sure to give that a look before the market. Let's go ahead to where we're at right here, you guys. All right, so you can see that we're kind of just chopping around in this channel, and that we're in this downward trend right here. This is, I think, where I made the last update, and then we had this candle bar break above past over here. So we were no longer in that downward trend. We pulled back 50% retracement and are continuing this upward trend. Okay, so the only problem that I see is that excuse me, this is what I'm talking about. This middle line is tested as a minor resistance. We look left like Beyonce says. You can see over here that we were testing this as resistance over here, and on the opposite side it was working as support. And you can see that we were chopping around over here. So we have to respect this line, you guys. So I usually give you guys about 2 ideal entries on where you could get in, and I'll do that for you right now. So as of right now, with us pushing into this minor resistance, we don't know if this will come up, test this area, and fail and pull back down to our major support line, that being at the 121. So for the safer ideal entry, you guys, what we want to see is this to break the 197 or 198 level. If we can break past that, come back down and retest that 197 or $200 level, that could be a great entry. You just have your stop loss on the opposite side, get maybe at the 180 level or a 185 level. That could be a good stop loss. You guys remember, every trade that you're getting into, I don't care what type of trade you're in, you should always have a stop loss, or at least a mental stop loss. So keep that in mind as well. So like I said, we want to at least break past this minor resistance. That'll further confirm that buyers are control, and it'll show relative strength that we can break past such a resistance as this one right here. So if we can break past that and come back down and retest it as a floor and create that higher low, like I said, that could be a great entry at the $200 level or the $197 level. Okay, and then if we do come up and get rejected at this minor resistance, then we would just wait for the better entry, and that would be back down here at the 119 or 120 area, basically this major support line, and then we would have our stop loss on the opposite side, maybe at like 111 or 115. So those are the 2 ideal entries that I have for you guys as of right now, this moment in time today. I wouldn't specifically trade this just because how close we are to this resistance. Your risk to reward isn't really that great because of how close we are to this resistance. Okay, so I'm going to be doing a bunch of these charts today. I'm going to try to do more than 10. I usually do about 7, but I want to make up for the amount of days that I've been taking off, you guys. And again, I apologize. I'm also waiting on a bunch of new equipment. We're going to have a new backdrop, new camera, new mic, all this good stuff. Okay, so stay tuned for that. And if this helped in any type of ways, please hit that like and subscribe button. It allows me to create this content for you guys Monday through Friday. And other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.